Hello everybody, my name is Anamika Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I would like to tell you that I keep posting amazing and great opportunities for both private and government sectors, specifically for online tutors, for teachers. And if you are aspiring for the same, so you can just subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you never miss such great opportunities. Also, you can visit my channel and check out the latest vacancies. I have posted latest vacancy which was released by KVS, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. So they have invited applications for PGTs, TGTs and PRTs in different subjects. So I will put that link here so you can just go and check it out if you haven't already. So yes, in today's video, we are going to discuss about what is the difference between PGTs, TGTs and PRTs. So if you're interested in knowing more about the same, if you want to know the exact difference between all of these, because I get it, they're a bit confusing. So if you want to know the exact difference between these three positions, these three types of teachers, or you can say levels of teachers, so you can keep watching this video till the end. Let's talk about PRTs, and the full form is primary teachers, and they're basically elementary school teachers who are responsible for teaching students of grade 1st to grade 5th. Now they should also have a diploma in elementary education, which is D.El.Ed, and a diploma in elementary education is a 2-year course wherein the candidates pursuing the same, they are trained on different aspects of teaching. They're also given classroom inbuilt training. So yes, that was all about the PRT. Then let's talk about TGTs, and the full form is trained graduate teachers, and as suggested by the name, these teachers should have a graduation as well as they should have a Bachelor of Education degree, which is B.Ed. Now they are responsible for teaching students from grade 6th to grade 8th, but they're also trained to teach students of grade 10th. So you can roughly say that TGTs teach students from grade 6th to grade 10th. Now let's talk about the PGTs, and PGT, if we expand the acronym, so yes, it is postgraduate teachers, and these teachers should have a graduation, they should have a post-graduation as well as B.Ed, okay, Bachelor of Education. Now B.Ed is also a 2-year course, you can say, and like I would say, it is also a diploma, and you have various organizations, various institutes from where you can go through this course. Now this is not necessary. As far as I have observed, there are, like most of the government organizations, if you are applying for TGTs and PGTs, so they are going to demand for B.Ed, but there are a few private organizations wherein they do not demand for B.Ed for TGTs and PGTs. Like if you have done your graduation, so they can enroll you as a TGT, and if you have done your post-graduation, so they will enroll you for PGT. Now one more thing which I forgot to mention about PGT is that PGTs teach students of class 10th, 11th and 12th. Also there's one more big difference, I would say, for the eligibility, that the PRTs, they should, like, the maximum age of applying is 30 years. For TGTs and PGTs, it is going to be the same. That is, maximum age limit is 35 years. But for PRT, it is 30 years. So there are some authorized bodies, or you can say government bodies, which conduct teacher recruitment exams, and some of these are CTET and KVS, NVS and DSSB. So CTET is conducted by CBSE, KVS is Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, NVS is Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, and DSSB is Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board. So that was all about the entire description and difference between these three positions. I hope, like, after watching this video, you would never ever be confused among these three. So yes, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, so please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, if you're liking the information which I'm sharing, so you can just comment down below and let me know what all other topics you'd like to see my upcoming videos on. So yes, that was all about this video. I will meet you next time. Bye.